Good day, guys. You're welcome to my channel. Hope today finds you good. Yeah, I have this challenge I want to immediately talk about. If you look at my screen very well, you'll find a phone that a customer brought to me. He said he needed me to change the terminal of the battery, that the battery tip fell off, so he need me to change the terminal of the battery. But one thing about clients is that most of them are very funny. No, how do you expect me to do a work like this? How do you expect me to do a work like this? Okay, I said okay, no problem, I'm going to do it. It's going to cost you 3,000. He said 3,000 is too much. What he has is 1,000. I said I can't fix that for 1,000. So what will happen? He said I should fix it for him. I said I can't do it for that price. He said he can do it. I said okay, fine. Just come inside. Just come and fix it yourself. So he decided to pull it from the old battery, because what he needed is change this battery. See what he did here. Look at what he did on the battery. He was the one that unclipped the battery. He removed the battery tip, remove the flex. Here is the flex. Yeah, so he said I should connect it together for him. He actually came. Then I said okay, since you can do it, just do it yourself. Since you can do it, he said fine, that I can do it. So I gave him permission. He came inside and he fixed it. After fixing it, the stuff started working. I was very pleased. At least seeing somebody do, is not a technician, he was able to do something tangible that work for himself. So why am I showing this stuff now? He brought it back this morning to me and told me that it's no longer working, that I should fix it for him. I said, what do you mean? He said I should please assist him to fix it. I said I can't do that, bro. Mere looking at it, you've done enough damage to this. I don't know if I can help to do that. So what he did, he said he was going to give me 500. Isn't it funny, guys? Is it not funny? I said 500. You brought it, I told you 3K. You did it yourself. Now after all this wound, after all this injury, you want me to do it for 500? How? So my advice is, you better go get a new battery before you damage your phone completely. Yeah, you better go get a new battery. Guys, if you were in my shoe, what will you do? Would you rather fix it for him, or what do you think I should do? For me, I can't. I know I can do it, but I won't. That's what I'm saying. I won't do it. I know I can do it. So whenever I meet clients in this nature, I don't feel like assisting them, because in the end you'll be the one to pay. Yes, they won't even agree that they've done anything bad on the device before. They will tell you everything is working perfectly. When they brought it, the battery is sound, the flex is cool, everything is wonderful. You've spoiled it, you've damaged it. So guys, you guys really need to be careful out there with customers. Yeah.